I'm Pepe Pilapil is my name. I'm 69 years old from Cebu. Ever since my college days, my problem was dandruff. Since April, when I was invited to join Laminine, I started taking Laminine until today, but just 2 or 3 months after, we realized that my falling hair had stopped, dandruff was gone, and my hair before was so dry. I have soft hair now, and much more with my skin. It's getting smoother, whereas before very dry. It helps so much, probably because of what they call collagen present in Laminine. Laminine does the work for me. I'm 69 years old already, and I feel young again.
I'm a sportsman all my life. In fact, when I studied in Manila, most of the time I played golf because the secretary or the president at that time wanted me to learn the game in Wakwak. I played with congressmen and senators, and I was so young then, imagine 22 years old. But since then, golf has always been in my life. Anyway, now that I'm 72 years old, it's quite hard for every old man to turn their muscles. But because of Laminine, I was so surprised when I went to the driving range 2-3 weeks ago. I could turn as much as I can and hit the ball the same way as I used to hit in my 40s and 30s years old. So there is something in that really in that capsule of Laminine. I feel as if I'm in my 40s again. We just had our party in Talisay. All the DIs were surprised how I danced with them as if I'm still in my 20s in Manila. Okay, I'm really feeling good and great. Now I'm going to play golf. Bye-bye.
I'm Albert Gomez. I'm a doctor of medicine. I got to know this product through a friend who had multiple cysts in both breasts. Basically improved so well from the product that got me interested. So I researched on the product and found out that one of the main components, the fibroblast growth factor, is really such a good protein. It repairs, regrows, and rejuvenates cells in our body. I have a condition called congestive heart failure, and it's a condition where 40 to 50% of my heart was already damaged because of high blood pressure. And I'm taking Laminine just so that it could regrow the cells in my heart and hopefully improve the function of my heart. No? But there was an unseen positive thing that happened after taking Laminine for a week. A friend who hangs out with me most of the time, he said, "You know, Doc, I noticed your beard is starting to get darker." Because my beard before was like almost all white, and so is my hair. There was only a few tufts of black hair left in front, and he started telling me, "You know, Doc, your hair is starting to get darker. I see more black hair, especially here in the sides, in your sideburns going up." I said, "You're just kidding." So I brushed it off. After maybe 2 or 3 times that he told me about this, he said, "You know, it's really true, Doc. Your hair is really starting to get darker." So I really checked on the mirror and found out that, to my surprise, it really was getting darker. And so amazing, you know, and just after a week's use. When I looked in the mirror, I realized, you know, this is sort of like scary at my age, because I think most girls would be really attracted to me right now.